Case study: AI in network security, a cross-sector analysis of enhanced threat detection and response in cybersecurity. Artificial intelligence is redefining the landscape of network security, providing unprecedented capabilities to identify and counter increasingly sophisticated cyber threats. Financial institutions like JP Chase are leveraging AI to fortify their network security. By deploying AI algorithms, JP Chase can detect fraudulent activities and anomalous behavior patterns indicative of cyber attacks. The AI system scrutinizes vast transaction datasets, identifying deviations that might signal unauthorized access or fraudulent transactions, thus enhancing the bank's ability to promptly respond to potential threats and minimize financial losses. How does AI's real-time analysis of data compare to traditional methods in terms of efficiency and accuracy? The AI's ability to analyze vast amounts of data in real time allows for quicker identification of potential threats, thus facilitating faster responses and reducing the risk of data breaches. In the healthcare sector, AI is critical for protecting sensitive patient data. Healthcare organizations are frequent targets of cyber attacks due to the valuable data they handle. For instance, the University of California, San Francisco employs AI to monitor network traffic and detect unusual patterns that may indicate a breach. The AI system tracks data flow and user behavior, identifying anomalies that could signify a cyber attack. When such a pattern is detected, the system alerts the IT team to enable immediate action to prevent data exfiltration. This proactive approach helps UCSF maintain patient data confidentiality and comply with regulations like HIPAA. How does the AI system's ability to detect anomalies enhance the security protocols in healthcare institutions? The AI system enhances security protocols by providing continuous surveillance and immediate alerts, thereby ensuring that any abnormal activity is swiftly addressed before it leads to significant data breaches. Retail giants like Walmart also utilize AI to safeguard their digital and physical assets. Walmart's AI system continuously scans its vast network for vulnerabilities and potential threats. By employing machine learning algorithms, the system identifies patterns associated with cyber attacks, such as phishing attempts, malware infections, and unauthorized access. Upon detecting a threat, the AI initiates a response protocol to mitigate the risk. This automated response capability not only bolsters Walmart's security posture, but also reduces the resources needed to address security incidents. What are the advantages of using automated response protocols in retail network security? Automated response protocols provide a swift reaction to threats, minimizing potential damage and reducing the need for extensive manual intervention. The energy sector, with its extensive and critical infrastructure, also benefits from AI-enhanced network security. Energy companies face unique challenges due to their operational scale and complexity. For example, BP employs AI to monitor and protect its vast infrastructure, analyzing network traffic and operational data from various points. The AI system detects anomalies indicative of cyber attacks, such as unauthorized access attempts or unusual data transfers, allowing BP to prevent disruptions and ensure a secure energy supply. How does AI's ability to process and analyze large data volumes in real time prove advantageous for the energy sector? The real-time data processing capability of AI is invaluable for the energy sector, as it requires immediate responses to threats to maintain continuous and secure operations. In the realm of government and defense, AI is pivotal in securing sensitive information and infrastructure. Government agencies and defense contractors face persistent threats from both state and non-state actors. The U.S. Department of Defense employs AI to bolster its cybersecurity defenses, continuously monitoring network traffic and identifying potential threats. When a threat is detected, the AI system autonomously activates countermeasures to neutralize it, thus defending against sophisticated, advanced, persistent threats. What makes AI particularly effective in defending against APTs in government and defense sectors? AI's continuous monitoring and autonomous response capabilities provide a robust defense against APTs, which are often sophisticated and difficult to detect with traditional methods. However, the integration of AI in network security presents challenges, such as the potential for AI systems to be targeted by cyber attacks. Adversaries might attempt to deceive AI algorithms through adversarial attacks, manipulating data to bypass security measures. Organizations must implement robust security measures to protect their AI systems, including regular updates and patches, continuous monitoring, and vulnerability testing. Explainable AI is also crucial for providing transparency into AI systems' decision-making processes, allowing cybersecurity professionals to understand and trust AI's actions. How does explainable AI contribute to the effectiveness of AI in network security? Explainable AI ensures transparency, enabling cybersecurity professionals to identify potential weaknesses and trust AI's decisions, thus enhancing the system's overall effectiveness. Ethical implications also arise with the use of AI in cybersecurity, such as concerns about privacy and potential misuse. Organizations must ensure their AI systems comply with legal and ethical standards, balancing security and privacy. Ongoing dialogue with stakeholders and the development of ethical guidelines and frameworks are essential to navigate these challenges responsibly. How can organizations balance the need for robust security with the protection of user privacy in AI-powered network security systems? Organizations can achieve this balance by implementing transparent data usage policies, ensuring compliance with legal standards, and fostering continuous engagement with stakeholders to address ethical concerns. In analyzing these cases, it becomes clear that AI's application in network security offers significant benefits, including enhanced threat detection, real-time data analysis, and automated response capabilities. For J.P. Morgan Chase, the use of AI not only fortifies network security but also streamlines cybersecurity operations, making them more efficient and effective. The healthcare sector, represented by UCSF, benefits from AI's ability to maintain patient data confidentiality and ensure regulatory compliance. Retailers like Walmart leverage AI to protect customer data and maintain trust, while energy companies like BP utilize AI to safeguard their operations and ensure a continuous energy supply. Government and defense sectors use AI to defend against sophisticated threats, demonstrating AI's critical role in national security. In addressing the questions posed, AI's real-time data analysis compared to traditional methods offers significantly higher efficiency and accuracy, crucial for sectors dealing with sensitive and extensive data. The ability to detect anomalies enhances security protocols by enabling immediate responses to potential threats. Automated response protocols in retail provide quick mitigation of risks, reducing manual intervention. AI's real-time data processing is particularly advantageous for the energy sector due to the need for continuous operation. In government and defense, AI's effectiveness against APTs lies in its autonomous and continuous monitoring capabilities. Explainable AI contributes to the trust and understanding of AI decisions, ensuring robust network security. Lastly, balancing security with privacy can be achieved through transparent policies and ethical frameworks, fostering trust and compliance. In conclusion, AI has reshaped network security across various sectors, providing dynamic and proactive mechanisms to identify and mitigate cyber threats. Its integration enhances security posture, operational efficiency, and data protection. However, challenges such as potential attacks on AI systems and ethical concerns must be addressed through robust security measures, transparency, and ethical guidelines. As AI continues to evolve, it is imperative for organizations to adopt a proactive and ethical approach to AI in cybersecurity, ensuring it serves as a formidable force in defending against the ever-evolving landscape of cyber threats.